Alright, here's the first thing you need to understand. Journalists are already looking for seasonal stories. They have editorial calendars, they need angles for Valentine's, they need Black Friday commentary, they need New Year predictions. So, instead of forcing attention, you align with what they already need. That's why PR works, where you're not interrupting, you're actually participating. Now, here's where most people mess up. They go like Valentine's special discount, Black Friday offer, Christmas sale announcement. That is not PR, that is marketing. Instead, ask what's different this year? What trend is shifting? What fatigue is happening? What behavior is changing? For example, instead of saying Valentine's Day sale, try doing something like why 42% of startup founders avoid dating during Q1. Now, that's a story. Let me give you a few examples so you can see the difference. For example, for Valentine's, you can say something like, why founders struggle with work life relationships in Q1. For Black Friday, you can go with the psychology of discount burnout. For New Year, you can say something like, why startup resolutions fail by February. For Christmas, you can do something like, how remote teams are redefining holiday culture. You see what's happening? We are using the season as the hook, but the insight is the real value. Here's a simple framework I personally use. Step 1, pick the seasonal moment. Step 2, add a data backed angle. Step 3, tie it to journalist relevance. That's it. There's no fluff, no promotion, no marketing, just valuable and personal insight. Let me give you a quick AI prompt you can literally copy. So, it can say, act as a PR strategist and generate 10 PR angles for a SaaS founder along Black Friday. Avoid promotional sales angle. Focus on journalist friendly insights. While this is a template or a backbone or a structure of the AI prompt that I've shared, you can of course change it as per your relevance because ultimately at the end your expertise and your personal experience is what matters the most. So once you get the answer from this AI prompt, of course get an idea from it, but don't just blindly copy paste. Use that result to build your own pitch, to make it much more effective and credible, but don't just blindly depend on AI, because you know what, that journalists do notice and they don't really like using AI. So that's something that you need to use only to get the idea. Once you get the result, you will also notice that it's not salesy and it's not something related to marketing, because in the prompt itself, you will notice that I am telling the AI to not write any salesy pitch, do not mention any discounts, and make it generalist friendly. That's the difference. Seasonal PR is not about holidays. It's also about timing. If you pitch 4 to 6 weeks before the seasonal event with a strong angle, your chances of getting coverage go way up. And the best part, you can reuse this framework for every season of the year. If you want the slides and the cheat sheet I used in this video, grab them from the link below. And if you are serious about learning beginner friendly PR, subscribe because I break this stuff down without the fluff. Thank you.